Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing the dining chair with the backsplash right here, which isn't really that complicated. All it is some detail carving and then tenons on the top and bottom. So let's get cutting. So this is the easiest part. Just using our Magnate bits and our Arlo Pro clamps, we'll be able to cut this very thin but detailed backboard. As for design, I was inspired by old traceries in church windows and the old Gothic arches. Now that we have this carved, here comes the hardest part. We actually have to mount this to the vertical table, but the problem comes in the fact that there's not a whole lot of places to put clamps without breaking the small little pieces. So you see me try, at least in the first one, to put it on the front. And this doesn't really work very well. There's not very many flat places to put pressure on. So for the second step, I end up flipping it to the back, and that works significantly better. Now, there are two different sized mortises, one for the bottom rail and one for the top of the head, or the bottom of the headrest. And with that all done, we end up with this. Now, I think this looks gorgeous. I think this is going to look amazing in the final chair. I really like how all of the details turned out. I'm really proud. So the next thing that we're going to be cutting is actually the last piece to cut, and that's the head. So I'll see you all next time.